Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you this first card making tutorial using the Grateful Greetings card kit from Creative Memories. And all you need is adhesive to put these together. So I recently rejoined Creative Memories as an affiliate. I was with Creative Memories 25 years ago as a consultant, and I'm super excited to share with you some of their easy DIY kits. So this box has 12 cards. It is $24, which comes out to only $2 a card. For a handmade card, that is amazing. You get instructions, you get even bonus ephemera pieces that you can swap out or use to make more cards. You have 12 very high quality white blank cards and envelopes. Now, these are the first 4 cards of the 12 designs that I put together on a Facebook Live. I am going to show you here cards 5 through 12, and then I'll show you a recap at the end. So these little instruction sheets are great. They have a picture of each of the finished cards as well as some instructions. Now, your little baggie that has all the pieces you're going to need are numbered on the back with a number based on which card it goes with, and then letters for the order that you attach them to your card. So really easy. Here I pulled out all the pieces I need for cards 5 through 8, and then we'll do the same thing for 9 through 12. So I'm just going to use a little bit of space here and make card number 5, laying out my pieces, grabbing a blank card, making sure I have the orientation how I want it, and then I'm just going to follow the directions and use my adhesive runner. You can get these from Creative Memories. I am just using some from Hobby Lobby that I have on hand. So you're just going to assemble each of your cards. I would say each card takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes tops. Now, you could also add things like distress ink if you really want to add a lot of embellishments to your cards. I'm pretty much just putting them together how they show on the instructions, with one little addition that I'll show you here on card number 5. I'm usually going to pick one of the embellishments to raise up a little bit, use some foam squares to give it a little bit of dimension. You'll see I'm going to do that here on the smiley face. So I'm just attaching everything down, and then like I said, I'm going to use these little foam adhesive squares. I get mine from Hobby Lobby. They come in 2 different sizes. Peel off the back, and then we'll stick this down to the front of the card. I love these card kits to be able to have a simple craft. I think this would be a great project to take if you're going on a short vacation and you really just want something to do, or you want to get together with some kids, some girlfriends, put some cards together. I am looking forward to making all 12 of these cards and just having a nice variety of thank you cards. That is what this box is. Now, I did show you that bonus bag of ephemera. Some of the cards have options, like instead of this one saying thank you, it would say hello or something like that. So you could even wait to put that last piece on until you know exactly what you want your card to say. So here at Monarch Mom DIY, I enjoy showing you all sorts of different kinds of crafts. I hope you're enjoying this card making tutorial. And if you have any questions, I do have links in the description of the video of where you can find this box and many, many others that are on my Creative Memories website. So at this point, I am just going to try to put on some music so you can watch how quickly and easily these cards come together. So that was the Grateful Greetings card box. Here are all 12 of the different cards that you have everything in this box that you need to make these cards except for adhesive. You can use the adhesive of your choice. Thanks so much for joining me. I'd love to know in the comments what you thought of this video, what other Creative Memories products you might like to see, like some simple memory keeping, if you want to see more of the card boxes in the future. Thanks so much and take care.